Ooh, ooh, baby. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, toast. Nice fur. Look at this, dude. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh man. Hang on a second.
$3.29. Not quite free. $2.87.
Yep.
Hey YouTube, back at you. Spring Bear 2016, Bathurst, New Brunswick, Canada, up here with JLR Hunting. My good friend Lee here, putting it on the big bear. We've been hunting through the week. The beginning of the week was a little rough on the weather. It picked up for us a little later. This is Friday, the first beautiful day that came up, and I smoked this monster bear, raising hell in the woods, tearing the place up. One thing I definitely want to say about Lee's group is probably the most impressive thing I've seen here is the technology that he uses. He focuses on the trail cams, the sequence of events of where the bear are moving and when, where the big bear are. He won't put you on a bait unless there's a big bear on it, and he runs every day and checks these baits. He checks the cameras, he figures out what's going on, where the bear are moving. It was rough for him this year. Right across Canada it's been tough. The spring was just sort of weird, but they finally started rutting. Lee put me on this guy after we sat on another bear I was calling the train, and this guy shows up and it was just slammed down. You'll see it in the video when I put it all together. Again, JLR Hunting from New Brunswick with Lee. Come on up here, he'll hook you up tight.
We got a lot of big bear up here, but you need camera to know where they're at. I mean, this bear should still be alive if I wouldn't spend money on, and go back to yesterday and just check a bunch of bait. And then suddenly this bear popped up on camera yesterday, and there he is now.
So he went up the mountain, he called us down, he called my guide up and said, hey listen, I got a bear, jump over here. They call it the paw bait. This guy comes in, he shot some monster bear in this place. This is one of those spots that big bear just keep on moving in when another big bear gets hit. Okay.